Hey, what's up everyone, SHB here. So Moto X40 is going to launch soon and Moto is all set to shake the market with its new flagship device. So here is the first official teaser of the device, and it is going to feature first ever quad curved Gaussian panel. So this phone is going to have curves from all the edges, which looks really great, and it's pretty similar to sharp curved display phone that we have saw in the past. We also have got some of the official Antutu benchmarks, and it is looking pretty amazing, like Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is showing its power here, which tells us that this device is going to be great in gaming and multitasking. And the unique look of this device is going to make it a head turner. So now talking about the camera interface of Moto X40. So Moto has changed a lot of things in the UI and has made the UI more polished and has more feature and has a much better AI and image processing. Now talking about the UI, the MyUX 5 based on Android 13 is going to be light and super smooth. So overall Moto X40 can be a game-changing device for Motorola. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and if you have any questions, ask them in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video.